Alright guys, this is our main page for Nightcrawler. It's pretty basic but fully functional. You're seeing the first thing you're going to see is the FSU Sports Schedule as an event type. We picked every game from FSU Schedule for baseball, golf, football, basketball, whatever is coming up. You're going to see it over here listed. It's dynamic, so if the game is over or if the date is passed, you won't be seeing it. It's going to keep checking it with the current server time. And this is just live scoreboard for the upcoming games. You can see all the games are listed here: basketball, baseball, whatever is in the schedule is going to switch around. And this is live, as we said. The admin, in this case, Lauren was at the game, at the Stetson baseball game, FSU game, and she was updating live the score. It's not like we come after the game and put in the score, so you can follow up the score live. We got a sign up page and then sign in page. Once you sign in, you're going to see that this navigation is going to extend out, giving you more control over the database. You can update, delete, or add to the database. We're going to do a quick sign up. I'm just going to only fill the fields that has the star, which is required fields. And you're welcome to fill up any field, obviously, but and then put in a password. I'm going to submit it. You can see it's just registering. Takes a little bit. I don't know why the server's slow, but there you go. Mail sent with your information. Thank you, Ken. Or what I'm going to receive is an email with my username, and then system admin will get an email saying that Ken signed up at this time and day. This is the email I got from the server. It's automatically generated. The user who signs up for it gets one, and the system admin or whoever is assigned gets one. So that they know somebody signed up and it looks legit. Or I mean, it's not really a verification, but it's just a notification, more like telling the admin that somebody signed up, and they send me the username saying that I'm signed up also. I want to show you guys sign in feature. I'm registered already, so I'm just gonna log in, put in my password, and submit. The screen you're getting right now is the sign in user screen. If you're signed in, you're going to see that logout button right there, and the navigation over here extends out, giving you more control over the database. You can add concerts, restaurants, and add the sports. And if you want to update and delete, we want it to be done visually, not complicated. So it's very easy. Like, all you do is, if you wanted to delete a game, let's say FSU Clemson game, right there, you just hit the delete button. I'm not going to hit it now because it's going to delete from the database. This is an actual database, so we don't want to do that. As far as update goes, you just click on update. Check what you want to update. I'll check the same one. This has a form, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on that update. It's going to take us to a form where you fill up the fields, everything with the new information, and hit the update button. So it'll update the record on the schedule and everywhere else, and pull up like a live schedule over here also. And this is our logout button, and it logs us back. Next, I want to show you our search feature, and we're going to do searches for concert, restaurant, and sports. And I want to indicate that you don't have to be signed in or signed up for this, so anybody can come over here and search our database for concerts. Let's start with the concert. We've done it before, obviously. Since our data is not like something we entered, I had to look up names or enter some kind of real data over there showing that the fields are working. So I'm going to start with Luke Bryan. This is actually, Lauren likes him, so we just had him in there. Submit, and you're going to see that he's going to visit us in June twice in 5 days. So, wow, okay. The ticket price looks good also. And you can see the place, time, and artist name and all that. Opening act, you can search any field over here. Since we're time limited, I didn't dump in there, but just like if you want to see, we can do Florida, Georgia line. Let's see what we got here. Oop. Yep, there you go. Actually, they're like opening for Luke Bryan, so there's a lot of Luke Bryan things going on in this town. But as far as restaurants go, you can still search the fields here. I'm going to go ahead and put in a special. We put in 241 for us to see. You're going to see that it lists the special and the restaurants and the address and everything. As far as the name goes, we have to pick a name again from the database, Yucky Tree. You can see that the name comes up with the special on that restaurant, the address and the date that the special is. And then as far as the place go, we had to pick an address. Since it's not realistic database, we had to go into the database, pick this address. show you that actually does a search. So I put in the address, submit, and you can see that the place pulls up with this address, their special and name and the date. As far as the sports go, we try to keep it broad. Since we live in Tallahassee, we have a lot of sports going on, so we would try to make it easy on the user end. You want to see all the games, you can just say baseball and submit, and you're going to see that the server pulls up, checks with the date. It's pretty dynamic actually, but if the game is done, obviously it won't list it. So you're looking at the all baseball schedule here, which reflects on this live scoreboard also. But if you want to search for football, you can submit football, and then you're going to see FSU football schedule, and you can search by the name, search by home team. Let's see if FSU pulls up, obviously. You can see that when you type in FSU, you're going to find not just one specific game. Since we're not designing any, it pulls up anything with the FSU is going to play. You can search for place, you can search for price, and that pretty much sums up our great search engine.